we want to graph the orthocenter. Remember, orthocenter is formed by the altitudes. One of those things you just got to memorize. Now, the nice thing is, notice AC is a horizontal line. So what's vertical to a horizontal line? That would be a vertical line. So I'm going to look at point B, and I'm going to graph a vertical line going through B. Don't have to show a lot of work on that one, do we? Now we're going to pick another side. It doesn't matter which one. And I'm going to do AB, just because AB comes in alphabetical order, not because of anything else. So I look at the slope of AB. Notice it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 1, 2, just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the slope of A to B is 6 over 8, which I can reduce to 3 over 4. Perpendicular, which hardly any of you showed your work on, needs to be negative 4 over 3. Now, if I go to see if I go down 4 and over 3, I'm kind of out of range there. So I'm going to go up 4 into the left 3. So if I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and over 1, 2, 3, there we get our orthocenter. I didn't tell you to give me the coordinates, but you can see it's 0, 1, 2. My orthocenter is at 0 and 2. I just need you to graph those two altitudes. Now, if I look at number 6, we got a matching question here. Circumcenter. When I look at the circumcenter, I'm looking at the perpendicular bisectors. Or, think about it, it's the same distance from the points. So if I look here, the one that's the same distance from the vertices, or the points, is triangle P. See how all three of those are the same distance. So I know triangle P is my circumcenter. I just did the orthocenter. I want the three altitudes. That is S. And then my centroid is my medians. My medians go through the middle. That's R. And then my angle bisectors, they're the same distance from the sides like we did in the first page, and that's Q. And so we get PSRQ. How do I determine the largest angle? There's no hinge theorem, like some of you say, because we're looking at just one triangle, but the largest angle is across from the largest side. That's all that question asked for. Now, I gave you an example. Notice 13.4 is my largest side, so angle C would be my largest angle. We're going to apply that on Brenda and Elijah's triangle here. First off, we're going to use the fact that it's 180 degrees to find the measure of each of our angles. So if I add up my x's, I don't like that one, I'll just use my highlighter here. 3x, 7x, 9x. So I'll say 9x, and then I'll go 9 plus 27. Well, that'll be 36, won't it? I know there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So if I subtract 36 from both sides, 180 minus 36 gives us 144. So 9x is 144. And then if I divide by 9, I know x is 16. I'm going to replace each x with 16. I don't really care about the prize location. Well, yeah, I do. So I take 4 times 16. That'll give me 64 degrees. If I look at the angle at Brenda, 3 times 16 plus 9 is 57. That is not Brenda's distance. That's just the angle at Brenda. And then 2 times 16 plus 27. I'm going to look at 59 degrees. So my smallest angle is 57, isn't it? So if I take a look at 57, if I go straight across from 57, this is my shortest side. That means Elijah is the closest to the prize, because Elijah is the shortest distance to the prize. So we have that one, Elijah. And there we have that question.